Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you camera tips and tricks for your Huawei MatePad 11.5. So first of all, you can just click on the screen and adjust brightness level by moving this icon. You can also do this automatically by tapping on the screen. And next, you can also use the volume buttons. They are located right here, and let me show you. You can just click on the volume up or down and simply take the photo. When you click and hold one of this button, there is no any function linked to this gesture. Next, you are also able to zoom in or zoom out with your two fingers, but also you can click and hold on the preset and you will unlock this slider, and thanks to this you can zoom in and zoom out with your one finger. Next, you can also go for the settings where you can find other useful options, for example the audio control. And right now we can say keyword to take the photo or just speak loudly. Let's try this second option. Take the photo, and as you can see, it was taken. Here we've got also the option to increase the video resolution to the 4K or Full HD, and thanks to this we can also find the frame rate, but as you can see we can only record in the 30 frames per second. If you want to take the photos with shutter delay, you've got the timer between 2, 5 or 10 seconds. Let's pick 2 seconds for example. Click on the shutter, and after this time the photo will be taken. You are also able to find other options in this tablet, like the more modes, and right here you've got for example this sticker mode that allows you to put some kind of the stickers into your screen. You can resize them and put wherever you want, then just take the photo. And that's how this photo looks after we take it. Okay, that's the weird because it appears without our sticker for some reason. Let's try one more time. Okay, as you can see right now, the sticker appears on the photo. And yeah, that's honestly it. That's all useful camera tips and tricks for your Huawei MatePad 11.5. Thanks for watching.